If you are applying for GSK 2025 summer or full-time program, no matter it is in the United States, UK, Europe, Hong Kong, or any other places, you will need to finish online immersive assessment and job simulation assessment. You have no direction how to get prepared, and only have 1 hour since you need to prep for other companies and your schoolwork. OfferTutoring.com is here to help. We provide you with the exact question and answers for your upcoming GSK online assessment and job simulation, so you can precisely prepare your own test and save time. Click the buying link below, select your option and your office, then you can download the exact questions that will occur in your upcoming test. You can get well prepared within half an hour, only by preparing the exact questions 100% specific to your program and your office. Click the buying link now and secure your first offer.